Hi girls, this is Priya Noel. I'm going to teach you a few topics which are uncovered in the syllabus, and those are important from examination point of it. And regarding your textbook, please refer Ashwatthappa and Sudarshana Reddy from Himalaya Publishing, as your scheme of valuation is from this book only. So before I start off, I want to give you all the details of the topics that I am going to cover, because I don't want to leave you all confused. Now your ma'am has already covered a certain portion of your syllabus, and I'm left out only with a few topics. Okay, so this is what is your syllabus. You have 5 chapters in your syllabus. So first one is Introduction to Business Laws, and then you have your contract laws, then you have competition and consumer laws, and then economic laws and environmental laws. So this is your syllabus, and your ma'am told me, Priya ma'am, that we are left out only with environmental laws. But when discussed in detail and based on the information that I got from the class reps, the notes that she has previously given, I feel I have to cover few more topics, and those, like I told you, is important from examination point of it. So see, this is the contents of your entire syllabus. Okay, now the first one you have is Introduction to Business Laws. So in that I found that a few topics are not covered, and these will come for section B sometimes. If you refer your previous year question papers, these questions are sometimes asked. Like there I feel I have to cover sources she has covered, but I want to redo that topic because I want to take the answer from this particular textbook. Okay, then objectives, problems, and requirements, along with that also the scope of business law. Okay, so I want to cover it because it is important. And then coming to the second chapter, you have Indian Contract Law Act. Okay, so under Indian Contract Act, uh, again I find these subheadings not covered except for free consent. So free consent, when I checked your notes that was given by ma'am, she has given in detail. Okay, but other than that, these other subtopics, okay, offer and acceptance, communication of the offer, and then consideration, legal capacity to contract, free consent, legality of object, discharge of contract, remedies for breach of contract. So all this, in your textbook is given in detail, and these are topics which are also important from examination point of it. To be frank, 40 to 50% of questions in your question paper will appear from this particular chapter. Okay, so we cannot leave these topics uncovered. So I'm going to teach you all these topics, and other than that I found all these topics. Okay, so Indian Sale of Goods Act, Competition Act, and then Consumer Protection, patents, Foreign Exchange Management Act, all this is kind of covered. And ma'am told me that she is left out with Environment Protection Act, as in she has done 2 topics I guess, and the remaining has to be continued by me. Yeah, so I'm not going to do this one first, environment protection. Rather, we will start from the first. Okay, I'm not going to do completely. Like I told you, only the topics which are uncovered will be covered by me. Okay, because I don't want to leave any confusions with you all, and I want to make this subject really clear and clarified. Okay, thank you.